what's this called again?
Oh,
or no, it's from AirsoftStation.
it's a mystery box, you tit.
Mystery box. So we got a mystery box from AirsoftStation. There's some holes in the box because Tiki tried to peek inside.
Can I open it now?
Yes, open it.
Okay. Oh, hey, free shirt. So I like this shirt. It feels good. Oh my god, go away, dude. It's licking me again. Oh, cool, it's black.
It says tan. It says tan clearly right there. So it is tan.
Alright, it looks like
We got a tan SCAR
we got a SCAR
from Classic Army. Oh, it's
Classic
Classic Army. Oh, what do you know? There's holes in the box.
Oh,
I wonder how that happened.
Oh, sorry. Dude, this thing's black. Weight 3.5 kilograms. Barrel length 280 millimeters.
You don't need that part.
Okay. Oh yeah, I knew it. It goes in the buttstock. Push the button to flip out the stock. Oh wow, he's right. Wow, that's a pain in the ass. All right. So to
it's
open
only one Allen, isn't it?
Yeah,
that
it's
we
just
have to
one Allen
actually
key.
Take out.
All right, to open this, you just gotta do that thingy, and then you gotta stick your Allen key in here, and you gotta twist it around. Oh my god.
It's not that bad. Take it apart.
Oh, I think I broke it.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not that hard.
No, it's pretty
You guys
difficult.
are being bitches.
I don't know. Hey, hand me the battery, damn it.
So AirsoftStation is the best airsoft retailer. Way better than any other company called eBay.
Yeah.
And
Oh wow. Amazing!
your box is that.
That's so good!
Too. It's everywhere! I'm gonna be sticky!
Alright, Bernie.
No! Hey, wait! Stop! Stop! Fuck you. I'll do it. You're gonna fucking break this shit.
I don't break anything. What are you talking about?
Yes. I'll mention that it comes with fucking. Are you fucking retarded? Oh no, I'm worried about.
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. I was about to shoot it.
It doesn't have anything in it.
That actually sounds really loud. I like it.
The K-Tech amplifier is super
What?
loud.
Hey, what's loud, Bernie?
The K-Tech amplifier is super. The K-Tech amplifier is super loud. Loud! Fun fact: this gun came with a extended barrel piece and extended inner barrel too. It's super long and it's super accurate and powerful, and it does other cool shit. It probably I don't know. It's perfect.
It costs $275 normally, and it shoots about 350, maybe 400 FPS. That's what it says on the box anyway.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, America.
It's a pretty dope gun. It's pretty heavyweight. It's got this fucking, it's fucking heavy. Alright, so the bottom half of this is polymer. The lower, the upper is fucking metal. The sides are metal. charging handle's metal. You can see, you can do all your hop-up adjustments right in there and shit. And then the back piece is fucking polymer, extendable. If you can fucking get this shit in and out. You got stickers over here on the side. And then, I mean, it's just a nice heavyweight feeling gun, and it seems like it's built pretty well. It can go through some shit, you know? Like, you can fucking, I don't know. So this is gonna be a realistic drop. See? Look, you're just playing. Say you hit a corner, your hand comes off it, fucking shit. So let's see what happened. Nothing. The sight's a little fucked up and muddy. You can see that shit.
Fixed.
This sight went down, but that's okay. They're flip-up sights. That sight's fine. This sight's fine. It's just, I don't know if you can see that, but it's full of fucking mud. It's called dirt. It's everywhere. It's in my eyes.
It's called dirt.
Anyways, just clear that out and you're good to go if you're using iron sights.
All right, for the next drop test, we're gonna drop his vape. I'm just gonna throw it.
Give me that. Anyways, survived the drop test. I don't see anything else fucked up with it. All right, so we're gonna go back to the mystery box real quick. You're probably wondering what came with the mystery box. So we got the gun. Yeah, Classic Army. And then we got some stickers. We got, like, I don't know, 4 shirts. We also got, that was it. Oh, we also got this older magazine. 2011 catalog. So we got the 2011 catalog with it. Ours might be a little bit different than yours when it comes, but I mean you're guaranteed to get some cool shit, I guess. But we enjoy what we got. I mean, it's a nice SCAR. Fucking catalog's cool, I guess. It's nice shitter reading material. You fold out pages. There's a lot of guns in this. I didn't realize they made so many guns. This shit's There's no fold-out pages, which I guess is kind of a minus, but you know, it's still, I don't know, there's some cool shit in here that you can look at. And, yeah, that was the box. It's pretty cool. These drinks are pretty good.
Oh yeah, they're so good, dude.
They're pretty damn good.
Oh yeah.
This blue one's cool.
Oh yep. This red one's pretty cool too.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Too bad they aren't sponsoring us,
Yeah,
so they don't get a fucking shout out.
You know what that means?
Because they aren't sponsoring us and shit. So you see that?
Oops.
That's all you see is the back of the can. You can't see nothing on there for fucking logos. Fuck you. No fucking. Oh. No sponsors from them, so they don't get a shout out. Halt. They don't get a shout out.
You know what? You know what we say? We don't sponsor us. You know, fuck them. Yeah.
Fuck them. It's time for a shooting test for the SCAR. We're gonna do the long barrel. You notice the cool thing is this logo, the same color as the dog, so you know it matches. It's a perfect shirt for the dog, you know what I mean? Why do we do reviews anymore? Alright, so Daniel wasn't in the video today because he was sick. So we got him up on speakerphone, so he's gonna give you a sick shout out.
Shout out to AirsoftStation, the best airsoft supplier. Hold on. Alright, shout out to AirsoftStation. Thanks for the fucking shit.
So yeah,
Also,
those are sick airsoft Shout out.
Also, shout out to K-Tech Airsoft.
Just hangs up.
I actually wanted to talk to him.